we will be able to compute meaning anyone? Compute other T ratios when any one T ratio is given. T ratio is basically a short form of trigonometric ratio. Anyone meaning of compute?
Calculate, sir.
Correct, Dilruba. Compute is the same as calculate. Okay, we'll be able to calculate the other T ratios when any one T ratio is given. Any one thing will be given, tan theta will be given, or sin theta will be given, or cos theta will be given, or cot will be given, or cosec, or secant. Okay, any one will be given, and you have to find all the other five, and it is possible. Okay, without knowing anything else about the triangle, just by knowing one of the trigonometric ratios, it is possible to calculate. Okay, and I'm just going to do one example for you guys. Yeah, we're going to do one example, and then we're going to do one practice together, and then some homework. Yeah, so let's take this question. Okay, wait, it's coming very small. Question is, in triangle ABC, okay, right angled at B, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, it is given that sine A is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, we'll draw a diagram also. Sine A is equal to 1 by 3. So let's call this as A, B, C, right angled at B. Sine A is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, the question is, find cos A, find all other T ratios. Okay, find all other trigonometric ratios. How many remaining trigonometric ratios are there, Dinesh? If one is given, how many will remain? Dinesh, sir?
Sir?
Yes,
sir. Can I repeat, sir?
Someone is watching TV right now, I think.
Sir, no, sir. Someone is talking.
How many T ratios will be there? If one is given, how many will remain? Totally, how many T ratios are there?
Sir. Sir,
there are two ratios. Dinesh, you continue watching TV, Dinesh. Bindu, tell me.
Sir, total there are 6, sir. If sin A is given, there are 5 left, sir.
Very good. There are totally 6 T ratios, and since sine is already given, there are 5 remaining ratios. Okay. Now, how to do this? Okay, this is the question. Yeah, you can keep taking on the question. Dinesh, you can leave the class, I don't mind. Yeah, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, sine A is equal to 1 by 3. Find all of the T ratios. Okay, now for this we need to have one small understanding about fractions, which we just covered in the previous topic, which was, if I have a fraction, that is, suppose I have a fraction 3 by 5, I can write this as 3 into y by 5 into y. Can I write this? Yeah, it will not change the fraction. Is everyone okay with that? Ratio.
Yes.
Yeah, you will have to remember the word problem we did with ratios in 8th class. You remember, if something is in the ratio 1:5, we will take one quantity as 1x, other quantity as 5x. Do you remember? Dilruba, yes, you remember this thing? Yeah, good.
Yes.
So great. So this is also a ratio, right? Basically, what we can do is what the question is telling, if sine A is equal to 1 by 3, okay, if sine, this is my answer. Okay, let me write answer with a different color. So this is not usable. Mhm. Okay, if sine A is equal to 1 by 3, what it really means is sine A was what? Sine A is here. So can you tell me what is sine A ka actual value, Dilruba? Sine A from formula what you should get? From formula what you should get, Dilruba, can you tell? Sine A?
Sir, sin theta, sir, or sin
A, in place of theta, I'm just using A here. I'm not marking theta, I'm using A. It can be anything, yeah? Basically the angle A, right? Tell me, Dilruba.
Sir, you should get that one will be this one, huh? Sir, in what, sir?
Words भी बोलो और
Right, sir.
actual में यहाँ पे कौन सा by which side will come, that also you tell.
Opposite side is CB, sir. CB.
Okay.
And the hypotenuse is CA, sir.
Okay, CB by CA, right? It should, sine A will be CB by CA, yeah? Opposite by hypotenuse. We good with that, everyone? Anyone has any doubt here? Sine A is this ratio, okay? Now the question is telling you that after taking the ratio, MG, you have a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you want to add something here?
No, sir.
Okay, lower your hand then. Yeah. So the question is telling us what, after taking this ratio is fixed. This is formula. After doing, they're not telling us what this number was. Maybe it was 10, it was 30. Maybe it was 100, it was 300. Maybe this was 3, this was 9. Maybe this was 30, this was 90. Okay, we don't know. But whatever it was, finally it came as 1 by 3 after simplifying. Everyone good with me so far? Yeah, the question is telling whatever this by this was, finally the ratio became 1 by 3. Anyone has any doubts here? Please stop me. Yeah. Okay. Please unmute. Feel free to unmute and speak. Yeah. Full liberty on that now. Okay. So right now, what actually this means is, can I write this as 1k by 3k? K is any number. Okay. K is any constant which was common factor in numerator also, denominator also. Can I write CB was 1k and CA was 3k? Okay, what? Well, let's not write k. You will think it's kilo. Let's use a different thing. Let's use 1 m and 3m. Okay. So this is 1m. Sorry, this is looking like meter. Okay, give me some alphabet which is not
X.
X. Okay, let's write it. 1x and 3x, our favorite letter. 1x and 3x. Okay, so whatever BC was some x into 1 and CA was some x into 3. So that when we finally did the ratio, we cancelled that x and it became 1 by 3. Yeah, this is what the question is telling me. Everyone good with me so far? Any doubts? Any doubts? None? Okay. All right. So what I need to do actually here is I need to find in terms of x only, because finally I will divide. But in terms of x, can I find AB also? Because for other ratios, I need AB. Right? I need the adjacent side. I need the base. Does anyone want to give me any idea of what we can use to find it? What we can use to find AB? Dilruba, go ahead.
Sir, Pythagoras theorem.
Simple. Yes, Dilruba. That one thing which we know which will work for any right triangle, whether here or in Mars, that is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, let us first write here what I was saying. Okay. Let BC be equal to 1x and AC be equal to 3x. Okay, this is our assumption. Now you're saying let's use Pythagoras theorem. Can you tell Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, Dilruba?
Sir, CB square plus AB square is equal to AC square.
ठीक है, AC square is equal to CB square plus AB square.
AB
Yeah.
square.
हाँ. अब तुमको क्या क्या पता है इसमें डाल दो. Whatever you know, can you put that?
Sir, we know CB, sir, which is 1x, and
Okay.
AC, which is 3x, sir.
AC is 3x. Okay. And this is AB square. Everyone following Dilruba so far? Anyone has any doubt how this happened? Okay. In right triangle ABC. Anyone has any doubt how this happened? I'm assuming everyone is good. Yeah. I'm assuming everyone is good. So from here, anyone would like to solve? Maybe Rizak, do you want to solve this with me on screen?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
So 3x square will be 9x square, sir. 3x whole square will be 9x square, sir.
Very good, very good. I like how you are remembering that a into b the whole square is a square into b square. A is 9 here, so that will become a is 3 here, so it will become 9. Good, Dilruba, continue. So this is 9x square is equal to
1x square, sir.
X. Can I just write x square?
Is x
1 into x square. Okay.
Plus AB square, sir.
Plus AB square. Perfect.
Yes, sir. And then we can take x square on the left hand side, sir. It
Okay.
will become minus x square, sir.
Okay.
Minus x square, sir.
Hmm.
Is equal to AB square, sir.
Very good. I'll just write AB square on the left side for convenience.
AB square is equal to 8x.
Is equal to 8x square. How did
8x
8x square comes? 9 apples minus 1 apple is 8 apples. Okay. So
Yes,
x
sir.
square is apple here. 9x square minus 1x square is 8x square. Continue. Now continue. Riza. This is going to be interesting.
Sir, AB is equal to root over 8x square.
Root over 8x square. Perfect. Okay. How can we do this? Can you at least simplify this a little bit further?
Sir, x into root 8.
X into root 8. Correct. Let us write fully. Okay. X into x लिख देते हैं. 8 को कैसे लिखेंगे?
Sir, 2 into 2, sir.
2 cube na. So 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So it will come 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x. Now what?
Yes,
What
sir.
all can we take it? What all can we take out of here?
Sir, we can take 2, sir, which will be 1, 2, and then x, sir. In root
can
it
take
will
x
be
also.
remaining only 2, sir.
Okay. So what do we get? AB is equal to
2x
2.
root 2. 2x.
Okay. 2x into root 2 also you can write, but the right way of writing is 2 root 2x. Okay. 2 root 2x. Okay. Because all the numbers will come in the coefficient, right? This is also a number part. This is a variable part. So let's better way to write it as at the end. How are we feeling about this whole process which we did just now? We found AB in terms of x. Yeah. All this stuff we know from before. Okay. We know Pythagoras theorem. Okay. We came here, we just solved this equation. We took all the x on one side, kept this unknown thing on one side. This time x is one of the known things actually. The unknown thing is AB. So we kept AB on one side and we kept going. Then once we came here, we took root. This is basically taking square root. Okay. There is one thing which happens differently at this step. Actually, it happens to be plus or minus root 8x, but that part we will learn when we learn quadratic equations. For now, length is always positive, so we are taking the positive root of this thing. Okay, we will come to this part when we learn quadratic equations. But other than that, is every single step here clear? I want to hear in the chat box if you're not clear. Shripriya, how are you feeling about this whole thing? Shripriya, how are you feeling about this whole thing? Can I hear from you? Deepak, how are you feeling?
Clear, sir.
Shripriya is not there in this meeting. Yeah? I don't see her.
No, sir, she's not there.
She's not there. Okay, just put
She's
a
not
message.
here.
Just put a message in chat. Okay, in WhatsApp. Actually, leave it. I'll put it later. Shripriya is missing. Very good. Okay. Now, 2 root 2x. Okay, we found AB in terms of x. All right. Now we know this part has become 2 root 2x. Now, can we find the other t ratios? Can we find cos theta? Can we, sorry, cos A? Can someone find cos A for me? Someone find cos A for me? Anyone? G, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Riza, for doing this calculation, I'm giving you 5 points. Yeah, go ahead, G.
Sir, cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse, sir.
Okay, tell me which side by which side, according to the
Sir,
figure you see.
BA
Hmm?
divided by CA.
Okay, that is how much?
2 root 2x
2 root 2x
by 3x.
by 3x. That is how much? Will something cancel out?
X, sir.
X and x cancels out. Correct, G. That is how much?
2 root 2 by 3.
2 root 2 by 3. Perfect. Can you give me tan A?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, BC
Hmm.
AB divided by AB.
Very good. BC divided by AB. That's how much?
1x
Hmm.
by 2 root 2x.
By 2 root 2x. Correct. That's how much?
X cancel out, sir.
Hmm.
1 by
Hmm.
2 root 2.
Very good. Perfect. This can be, this we actually should do something, no? Anyone remembers denominator is having root 2? What we should do?
Sir,
We
we should
cannot leave like that. Correct. You should multiply
root 2,
it by root 2. Numerator and denominator. What is it called? What is that process called? Not rash. Yeah, rationalizing the denominator. I think that's what it's called. Nishchay, what is it called?
Yes, sir. Same rationalizing denominator.
Yeah, it's called rationalizing denominator. We had studied. We can't leave radicals in the denominator. We don't leave radicals in the denominator as a general practice. But for now, we will leave it. Okay. Let's continue. Maybe Manasa, if you can give me the next one. Maybe if you can give me cosecant. Manasa.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me cosecant A, cosec A?
Yes, sir.
Mansa, I'll give you one hint. You don't need to really see its formula. There's a way of doing it quickly, no? Cosec is reverse of what? Is reciprocal of what? Just see that.
Sir, it's CA by BA, sir.
It is CA by. No. Take a minute. See what is cosec reverse of. What is it the? What is it the reciprocal of? See the formula. Cosec theta is equal to
Sir,
something. 1 by something, no?
So it is
Cosec theta is equal to 1 by what?
1 by sin.
Albeit the yeah
Sir, sin.
sine theta. Okay. So can you quickly tell me cosec A will be what?
Sir, it's 1 by
Hmm?
it is 1 by
In place of theta, A is written, nothing else. Tell me what will come.
1 by a.
Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. In place of theta, we are writing A. So what will happen on right side?
Sir, it is BA, sir.
1 by sine A, ma. Okay.
1 by sin A.
Okay. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by cosec A is equal to 1 by sine A. Okay, Mansa? Good so far? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you directly tell me what will the value come then? Sine A you already know, right? Can you tell me from here what will come here?
Sir, it's 1 by 3, sir. And x, sir, into x.
Okay. Sorry. I think I confused you a little bit. Maybe okay. Let's do it in the normal way. Okay. You tell me which one by which one. You tell me which one by which one. Okay. You see the formula cosec theta ka formula. You see original formula first table. No. See that and tell me.
Sir,
It is-
cosec theta, it's hypotenuse by opposite side, sir.
Hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay. Can you tell me what will come now?
Yes, sir. In hypotenuse by opposite side, so it is AC by AC
Very
by
good.
CB, sir.
AC by CB. Perfect, Mansa. Tell me what is AC?
AC is 3x, sir. By CB is 1x, sir.
Okay, what is that?
Sir, it is x and x 3, sir.
3. Yeah, 3 by 1 or 3. Okay. Mansa, what I was trying to tell Mansa, did anyone else understand? Would anyone else like to clarify? Bindu, you understood what I was trying to tell Mansa? Bindu, did you understand what I was trying to tell Mansa?
Sir? Sir, you're trying to tell that there is a simple method to find that cosec, sir.
Tell me, what is that method?
We shouldn't look at the formula, sir. We can look at the sine formula, sir, and we can.
And what will we write? Can you quickly tell me?
Reverse of that, sir.
Okay, cosec A is equal to how I should write? Tell me, fatafat. Cosec A is equal to?
Hypotenuse divided by opposite.
You're again going through this route, Bindu. Okay, I want, if I know this one, can I, without going through this route, can I still say the number? 1 by
Yes,
sine A. I know sine A is 1 by 3. Can you give me that final answer then? Yeah, Bindu? In place of sine A, what can I write? Yeah, Bindu? I'll come back to you. Let's see if anyone else quickly, can you tell Deepak, can you quickly explain to Mansa what we are thinking about, Mansa and Bindu?
Sir, in place of sine A, we can write 3x by 1x.
Or directly 1 by 3, we already have now, Baba, 1 by 3 here. You leave x now. 1 by 3 we already have. Okay, na ye? It is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
You see, basically I know cosec A is reciprocal of sine A. So if sine A is 1 by 3, it means cosec A will be equal to 3. Okay, directly I can write. I don't need to go through hypotenuse by opposite and all. Okay, just that is what I was trying to communicate. All right, let's quickly do secant A. Deepak, can you do it with me? Secant A is equal to?
Sir, 1 by cos.
1 by cos A. Okay, cos A you already have. Can you tell me what the answer will be?
Sir, 3 by 2 root 2.
Perfect. Okay. Mansa, did you understand now what we did?
Yes, sir. Now I
Yeah, we
understand.
already have cos A and we know this has to be ulta only. So directly you can write. You can go with the formula also. You can also write hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay. If you go through this, secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, you will get what? Hypotenuse is 3x, adjacent is 2 root 2x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Finally, x cancel, you will get 3 by 2 root 2. Same answer you will get. Okay, just like that. Okay, no difference. All right.
Yes,
Quickly,
sir.
Mansa, now can you tell cot A without in this method quickly? Cot A is what?
Sir, it is 1 by what is
So ka toa. So over ka over what is remaining?
sir, it's
1 by see your notebook and tell Mansa, no problem.
sir, it is the it is tan A, sir.
Yeah, 1 by tan A. Aram se, no problem. Okay. Can you tell me? So tan A value we already have. Can you tell me what the value of tan A is? Is it there somewhere on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It is
So can you?
tan A is 1 by 2 root 2, sir.
Correct. This is tan A. So what cot A will come?
Sir, cot A will come 1 by 2 root 2, sir.
Same it will come, huh?
No, sir. It is 3 by
Mansa, write the reciprocal of tan. Write the reciprocal of this number. What will be the reciprocal?
sir, it will be 2 root 2 by 1.
Okay. Are you following me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This
Yes,
is
sir.
basically the reciprocal. If I had to write full steps, it will be 1 by 2 root 2. That's equal to 1 into 2 root 2 by 1. That's basically 2 root 2 by 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All these steps I'm just eliminating because we are in 10th grade now. It's simple. 1 by something is the reciprocal of that thing. Yeah. So guys,
Yes, sir.
what we have done right now is, if you see carefully, just by using Pythagoras theorem here, okay, just by using Pythagoras theorem here, we found one side, the missing side. Okay, first we assumed 3x and 1x, then we found the missing side by using Pythagoras theorem here in terms of x only. Once we find that, all other ratios we can find, it does not matter. Okay, all other ratios we can simply find. Yeah, it does not matter. That is what we have done so far in this objective. Okay, and I know it was the first day with trigonometric ratios. It was a little challenging. We'll do, but I want to check what's your understanding level. Yeah, fist to five. What is your understanding level so far?